There are many people out there who have searched for coaching center, who have searched for a tutorial to help their child to attain their dream, but they can't find it. They've searched the rest, but they've not seen the best. Now, Uncle T Coaching Center, one of the best coaching center, in which I can vouch for that it's the best coaching center. A coaching center that provides 325 for a guy who doesn't even have any idea about anything from the beginning of his life. A guy who attended a school not called a school. I attended Uncle T Great Coaching Center and I got to know much about the word book. I got to know much about the word knowledge. I got to know the true meaning of the word examination. I was thinking, UTME, if I can have something around 210, 220 back then. I haven't seen any coaching center that can rival this Uncle T coaching center. Not in Ondo City, not presently. Describing the internal examination. If question on UTME is to be set on the internal examination, maybe there will be a lot of people who perform free. Because this examination is way harder than the UTME examination itself. It's a kind of a way for you to see the real examination you are going to face in the upcoming exam, be it the PPT or the CBT organized by this tutorial. They are both top notch. My first PPT examination, I had a mercy mark of 200 plus, while my second PPT, I had 269. Talking about these two exams, you know there's a huge difference between my second PPT to the real JAMB itself. This is to show how great this tutorial internal examination is. This pre-UTME examination is still the top notch presently in Ondo City. Attending Uncle T Coaching Center, you meet people who are great, people who wish to achieve greater things on this life. You get to meet them, mix with people, absorb knowledge from them, and you achieve a mark greater than your dream mark.